Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing the royal family. We ate crickets in Mexico. Let's get into it.
You ready? 1, 2.
The royal family is the royal family.
Of Clare for doing this. Let's get into it. Day 3, Mexico.
What's up, YouTube? What's your name?
Luis.
Well, my man Luis.
We're on a boat, as you can see, about to go on a tour.
What I would really like to see is crocodiles. Hopefully, if we see one, we'll catch one on camera for y'all. I really want to go to a spa today, babe, but I tried to book it, and it looks like there's nothing until tomorrow. So, yeah, we might have to just do the spa tomorrow, go get food today. We need to go back to that place where they had them churros.
Yeah. Not gonna lie, we tried to go get some churros yesterday, and they said they didn't have them. Like, that's crazy. I'm out there having a talk with the butler.
But we need to have churros every day. The water's like kind of shallow. You can kind of like see under it.
You can't stand. How deep is that water? 9 feet. He says 9 feet.
Oh, a little fishy.
What is that?
Stork?
That one, it's an aninga.
A ninga. Look at his neck. His neck go. Why his neck twist?
God. He's a freak.
He's real flexible there. It's a flexible bird. Look at that turtle. Hi, turtle. What's your name? Franklin? And that one has a long neck. I wonder how turtles mate. Oh, wow. It's Turtle Town over here.
Oh, they having sex right there.
Where? Where the turtles having sex at?
On top of that.
Didn't get to see no crocodiles, you guys. Guess they didn't want to come out for us, but we came to eat, and they are bringing our churros finally.
Show them what you got.
Let's show y'all what we got over here.
Should I try shrimp right now?
No, babe. No. Absolutely not. Trying to die out here?
Ever show?
Claire, you can't get sick on your birthday eating shrimp. Now, come on. I like shrimp more than most people, but dude, not on your birthday. You allergic.
On the hawks?
Oh, you guys, so over there they have hawks that are trained to go and get the crows who try to take people's food. Yesterday the crows stole our guacamole. Clarence said,
we
listen,
snitched. I'm not gonna lie, that was the first time I ever
we snitched on a bird.
The crows was getting me excited.
I got a little taco sampler. So this is a duck taco. Like a duck birria, I think.
This looked like the birria.
Okay, that's the birria. This is like a El Pastor taco. And this is a shrimp one.
This is the steak. You asked for the.
That don't look like steak. That
You
looks
asked
like
for the
bacon.
El something. What was it?
I can't remember.
El
Steak.
corazón.
Oh, it's a steak. No, babe, that means heart in Spanish. Clarence got this big beef. Big beef.
I do got it. I do got it. You know what I mean?
He got beef and chips.
Not to brag. A brisket sandwich.
Lift it up. What is this?
Let's try that duck.
Quack, quack. Duck might not be too bad.
Smell like a duck.
If it smell like a duck, walk like a duck, and quack like a duck, then
It's a duck. Quack, quack.
You don't like it.
She definitely doesn't like it. You saw her face. She tried it, though. At least she tried something different.
Quack, quack. I just can't believe that the things that we see when we ride on a boat inside of there. We don't see cows too often.
That's probably where they got them from. Right from the lagoon.
It's a sweet sauce too. I don't like the sweetness of the sauce.
It's messing me up mentally.
So I'm saying like me chewing a duck.
And it's like, it's not really the.
We are going to get couple massages. And I'm very excited for this. I've been I haven't had a massage in forever, y'all. So this is where we are arriving at. It's called Sense.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Hello.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Chicago, you are going to enjoy
I like warm towels.
of the couple intuitive massage of 60 minutes. You will decide the technique, you will decide the pressure, and the therapist will work totally according to your needs.
Okay.
Alright?
This is so pretty, guys. This is where we're walking to get a massage. Where do I keep straight? Okay. Here, let me follow you. I don't know where to go. Okay, y'all, this is where the magic will happen.
This is your massage room for today. We are going to sanitizing your silica first.
Okay.
Okay, just
You have an ant on you on the back.
I know. Thank you
I'll
so
take it off
much.
for you. We can't really record because he's naked and I'm about to get.
Aw, Queen's so sweet. Thanks for getting the ant off of that lady. All those trees over there. You know, bugs probably get on you, and she would have took it back with her. But yeah, that looks comforting. They got a couples massage going. Okay, I see y'all getting spicy.
Naked, and we can't get both angles because the lens is too small. So we're gonna just enjoy this, and then afterwards we will be back.
Yeah, I was drooling. I almost fell asleep. Georgie started giving me a head massage, and I know how I feel about my haircut and shit, but it's like I couldn't even say anything because I needed it. So look at my hair. Shit felt amazing. Now we get to go back to the wellness center and use the rest of the facility. Me and Queen have to separate. We're in different ones. She's in a female one, and I'm in a male one, so we're not gonna be together now. So I'm gonna take the camera this time. What was your favorite part, man?
My favorite part was when she was massaging my head and my shoulders, my neck. But that head massage was really good.
Nah, yeah. I like that she was doing like my shoulders, and like it's weird, but my hands.
Oh God.
Yo, bro,
hands?
a hand massage is very underrated.
Man.
Like, yo, bro, I felt like, bro, that shit just feels amazing. It's like a release.
It's like I had new ligaments.
Yeah, it's like a release, bro. The hands,
The
oh
hand
my
massage
God.
is amazing.
Yeah, you have a lot of nerve endings in your hands, so yeah.
Yeah, I literally just finished. I couldn't record because I was naked and there was other men in here naked. Balls. I went from the sauna. I did the sauna for like 10, 15 minutes. And then I went from the sauna, took a shower. Then from the shower, this is what they recommended. And then I took a shower right into the cold plunge, which was freezing, y'all. Like I'm talking about like 2 degrees freezing. You just throw yourself in there, boom.
Good for toxins though, you know, that helps your muscles and your blood pressure and just kind of help release all that stuff.
Come back up, stay in there for like 30 seconds. You gotta get up out of there, then go straight to the jacuzzi, and then you just relax there for, I think I did like 15 minutes in there. I didn't get to show y'all the facility. I guess a little chill area, bathroom area. I took a shower right here. These are the showers. This is the cold plunge right here. Freezing.
That's nice that Claire waited till everybody was gone before he recorded so he could show us the facility. That's very considerate.
Let me take that. This is where I started off at. And this is the jacuzzi right here. Let's chill out. Butt ass.
We're on our way to Punta Bonita, but eat some food. I'm starving now.
Shrimp taco looks good. I see why Claire was trying to take some risks.
I forgot to tell you guys, a couple of days ago we were at the pool, we ordered some guacamole. They have like pico de gallo, little sauces and things like that. We look over, well Clarence looked over, and we found crickets. Look at this.
Seasoned
Crickets.
crickets. Like, I don't know if you can see.
Yeah, they can see it. How's it feel?
It's crunchy, like a snack. All right, so now you can see that one right there. That's a full live cricket, bro.
So, we know we out the country and stuff like that, so we both are gonna try one.
We asked our waiter, and the waiter said it was good. He eats them, so.
He said he don't get sick. He said it's seasoned well. I'm very nervous about this.
I get sick, so. What if I'm allergic to crickets?
I don't know, but you don't know that.
I'm not eating a whole one.
Okay, here, take one and put on your plate. First of all, just to hold this, is different. Babe, why are you putting it right? Why you give me a fat one?
What you want?
Give me a small one. Oh my God, no.
Y'all bugging.
It actually smells good. That's crazy.
It's probably good. You'll like it, probably. Good.
Okay, let me think of it like this. If I eat shrimp,
Thank you.
All right.
That's what I'm saying. You eat shrimp. This
Okay.
is far from what I'm used to.
but this is different. This is actually once survived on land. We gotta eat it together, babe.
No, you go back to
No, babe, no, we gotta eat it together. No, I don't care. I'm not eating it to
You
you.
know I'm a gentleman.
No, Clarence.
You know I'm a gentleman.
No. Our deal was we're gonna eat it together. Come on,
You're a leader.
No.
Eat.
I'm not being a leader this time. You ready?
Oh my God.
I'm gonna just take the legs off. I don't want to eat. Let me take the legs off. Pick yours up. Pick yours
I
up.
thought you was going first.
Clarence, no, I didn't say that.
Bro, the shit we do for YouTube.
Oh, poor Claire. I know it's hard on him. He don't even like looking at bugs. He don't want to kill bugs. He afraid of bugs at some point. Some spiders and such. Like, eating one is asking a lot. He's doing it for us, y'all.
Brooks, you ready?
1, 2, 3. They actually taste good.
Yeah.
Why though? It's like a salty crunch. It's good. It's
salty.
actually not bad.
Wow. That was different.
Yeah, honestly, here we take like a bunch.
And just, oh wow.
Really?
Okay. Thank you for giving us that courage. Thank you. We needed that. I did eat another one.
Come on, let's do it together. Ride or die.
I can't believe it.
Cheers. 1, 2, 3. Eat it.
You ate his head?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a savage.
I eat your head.
I ate his butt. Whoa.
I eat your head, you eat my
Cricket
butt.
butt.
1, 2. Hey, chill out.
It's salty.
They're actually not bad, y'all. It's just crazy how
It's literally not bad, but it's messing me up mentally.
I can't believe I just did that. Who just goes and pick up a bug and eat
You
it?
know what it tastes like? Like sunflower seeds.
Yeah.
Like original sunflower seeds, but like not when you crack the shell. If you eat the whole thing, that's what it tastes like. Like if you eat the shell and the inside at the same time, that's exactly what it tastes like.
All right, we did it. High five. We did that.
Found a basketball court, y'all.
Come on.
I'm about to lock him up real quick. He don't even know.
You know what? Lock this out here.
I can lock you up for sure. Hold on.
Go, Queen.
Hold on.
There's that laugh we know and love.
You gotta give me head. Head! Yeah!
Wait, one more time.
Yeah!
One more chance.
No booty in the night.
No, come here. You gotta eat this butt. You gotta eat this butt. Come on.
You gotta lick these balls.
If I make this shot, you gotta eat my booty.
If you miss, you gotta give me head. Head! No booty in the night.
Today is actually our last date here.
We actually knocked out last night, yesterday, after the spa. The spa finished us. Like,
yeah, when we had the spa, it's like for the rest of the day, we were so tired. We had a group dinner to meet a bunch of people at 6:30. Y'all, when 6:30 was here, we was knocked out. We missed it and everything, but hey, it was a great sleep. It was a great vacation so far.
Very. We're about to enjoy our little bit of time left here. We check out at like 3. Right now it's like 11, so we got a few hours, you know what I'm saying?
Got a few hours. He's gonna do a Q&A video for his channel, so make sure y'all check that out. We about to go to the pool or whatever. I don't know which pool we're gonna go to yet, but we'll just take you guys with us. This is the pool that we go to. We went to this pool maybe like 3 times so far, and it's really nice. Let me show you guys. We usually sit in one of these things, but I chose the one with a little bit of sun. It's like a public pool, so people are here, and I much rather get into a pool rather than a beach. The beach is over there, as y'all can see, like that water. But I'd rather just stroll along the beach, put my feet in the sand, and then get in the pool because, I don't know, I don't really like beach water like that no more. And then there's a restaurant over there. I just ordered a drink. He just ordered a pina colada. He's sweating, dude.
I'd rather go to the beach. Yep, I love the beach. I love it's just beautiful to me. You can just, endless water and just like the whole vibe.
So yeah, we got to get in the water.
Alright, yeah, so we're trying out the GoPro right now.
I'm not going underwater, y'all. He's gonna go under the water.
I don't want to.
His hair can dry.
Yeah, mine is already messed up, I feel like. This is dope, though. This one's nice.
At least your glasses don't look like the ones from before when you was on that jet.
The other day, we was looking at the footage of when we went to Jamaica. Yo, bro, that footage is so funny. I look like someone's uncle, and Queen is just struggling.
I was struggling with my lashes. I had on strips, but today I'm good. I got on.
Yeah, I remember the lashes flew out. Like one of them, I think.
And we didn't do no crazy water sports. We just relaxed.
Yeah, we tried the time.
How does my butt look under the water?
Let's see, Queen wants to know how her butt looks underwater. Big pigs.
You want to do a backstroke? Here, go ahead. Show them. Do it. Clarence can't do a backstroke, y'all. I can't do it. Watch.
You can't even swim.
Don't do that, because I'll swim you right now. I'm going to show y'all this backstroke. Ready?
Watch your head.
Who don't know how to backstroke?
You did it, girl. I'm glad she didn't hit her head, though.
All right, y'all, we're about to ride bikes.
I feel like something's on the ground.
Nah, it's just the back of the tire. It's rubbing.
Okay, yeah. That bike needs some oil, y'all. Don't have her riding no rusty bike. Be careful.
Okay, let me find out you can ride a bike. Don't look back. Hola. It's been way too long I have rode a bike. You can't ride one hand.
Yes, I can. Look, watch.
Yeah, I really don't want you to fall. You need to be able to do
She did it, but I really don't want her to fall either, Claire.
this to ride, though.
When I'm riding straight, I can.
Look at me. Look, I'm balanced.
I did it.
You're taking a lot of risk. Whoa, 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 whoa.
It's just too high for me. I need a low butt bike.
A low butt bike. See what I be dealing with? A low butt bike.
All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.